Dear students, myself Vijay Pratap Singh. Today we are going to discuss about consumer equilibrium in case of two commodities. Dear students, before this lecture we had discussed topic one commodity and now we are discussing about two commodity. Before this lecture I had sent video lecture with the help of explanation, with the help of table, graph, observation and full explanation with the help of YouTube. Okay, so now dear students, that topic is given in front of you. With the help of that same next topic we are going to discuss. But starting this topic we have to revise 5 minutes old topic. When we are going to discuss any one commodity and now we are discussing two commodity. Dear students, in our daily life we are utilizing more and more commodity in one time. We are consuming more and more goods and services within one time. But in last lecture we had discussed single commodity. With the help of that we had made table and graph. So now we are going to discuss second one, two commodities. With the help of that, how consumer equilibrium will be happen. So we had to discuss few lines. After that we had to explain that graph. Already I had made in front of you. Okay. Before that one we had to listen few lines and you had to make a notes. You can say it is very important in our actual life. Dear students, in our actual life the consumers are using more and more goods and services, not only one commodity. But in last video we had discussed only one commodity because that one is a starting topic. So now we are going to discuss two commodity because we are human being. We are utilizing more goods and services in one time. So in our actual life the consumer consumes more than one commodity. In such case the law of DMU is expected to many goods and services which the consumer purchases. Law of equi-marginal utility help in the determining the consumer equilibrium in the case of two commodity. Dear students, what I have told you, with the help of that you have to make a notes and write it. According to the law, consumer get maximum satisfaction when the ratio of MU is a two commodity in their respective prices. Okay, when two commodities are there we are getting more and more satisfaction. We can say commodities of their respective prices are equal. In other words, the consumer will spend his income in such a way that utility gained from the last rupees spent in each commodity in the equal. We can say there are two types, two way we can say. First way, when price of each commodity is the same, first condition. Second condition is that when price of two commodities are different. So two conditions are given in front of you. With the help of that you can able to know these all topics. But now dear students, we are going to discuss these topics with the help of graph and table. How we can represent these things with the help of graph and table. So two commodities are given in front of you. Here unit consumed, I had written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units I have written. See, when 1 unit consumed, MUX is 12 and MUY is 10. ठीक है, of rupees, we can say rupees here. Rupees. With the help of that we can say this is the explanation with the help of table. Same table we have explained on that graph. With the help of that we can able to calculate marginal. With the help of that we can able to calculate consumer equilibrium with the help of same table. Up to now we are making only graph, single line we are representing, but here two lines we are represented, means in one picture two graphs we are going to make. In same one we are going to make two graph in one picture, because MUX, MUY both we are going to make here with the help of same. Okay, once again come on the topic. 1 unit consumed, MUX 12, MUY 10. Second 10, 8. Third time 8 and 6. These are the units consumed in MUX and MUY. With the help of that table we have to calculate consumer equilibrium with the help of that table, where consumer equilibrium we are getting. So dear students, we have to discuss this table with the help of that graph. So now I am going to make that graph because of the explanation of that table, otherwise we can't able to understand. Okay, same thing you have to explain in the exam also. How numbering I have written here 0 to 5 and 0 to 5. Why? Because two graphs are inside. So that's why two times we have to write the same number. Units of X and units of Y consumed. That's why I written both. X started from here, Y started from here. Okay? This is the X axis, this is the Y axis of MUX. This is the Y axis of MUY. So dear students, listen carefully and write it in your copy. Make this picture, understood it very well. So here is the places. So you are going to write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 2 gap I had given. Why? Maximum unit is only 12. MUX maximum 12. So up to 12 we had represented. MUY is the maximum 10. So same thing we have to also make a gap 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We need up to 10 only. But we can write extra also 12. 14, but need up to 10 only, because maximum unit is here 10. But we can able to make and explain these all things with the help of this explanation. Now come on the topic and start from there. So make that particular picture from the gap MUX. Okay, same thing you have to represent here. When unit 1 we have to consume, on that time it should be 12. So dot will become here. Clear? How you can able to make? See, big marking I am giving you. When 1, 12, MUX 12. When 2 unit MUX 10, the 2 units MUX should be 10. Clear? Same thing you have to represent. 3, 8. 3, 8. Okay. Now 4, 6. 4, 6. And 5 one is there. 4. The 4 will be here. Okay. So now we have to match it, and this is the MUX. So MUX I had represented here Dear students, I am making it with the help of without any scale. So dear students, when you will make with the help of scale, it will be very neat and clean. यहाँ कभी लाइन हो सकता हो टेढ़ा भी हो जाए, because I am not using these types of any things. But when you will make, it should be in your copy, it should be very neat and clean. Okay? So make it in the proper way, because it is a very important. Okay? So line I have presented in front of you. This is the line of MUX. What one? MUX. This is the representation of MUX. Now we are going to make MUY. 110. 110. Okay. 2 8. 2 8 here. On that point it should be matched. 3 6. Okay. Now 4 is a 4. And 5 is a 2. So this is the, now we have to match it. So dear students, when you will make it should be very neat and clean. ये बहुत सुंदर बनेगा जब आप इसे बनाओगे. But I am making without any help of scale. It should be anywhere, not in the proper way. But when you will make, it should be very neat and clean. जब आप इसे बनाओगे ये बहुत सुंदर बनेगा. वेट अ मिनट, थोड़ा और सुंदर लाइन हो जाए, स्ट्रेट. Okay, with the help of that, this one is the MUY. MUY we are representing here, and equilibrium point is here. Okay, that one we can say capital E. This one is the point, that one we can say is the equilibrium point. Okay, with the help of that you can able to explain with the help of this particular table. So dear students, in front of you that consumer equilibrium in the case of two commodities is given in front of you. So you can able to explain with the help of this table and graph that topic. Okay, suppose this question will come in the examination. What you will do? Just you have to make a table according to that. Same table or another table you have to make according to that. Okay. Next one, you have to come on that side, prepare graph. Same x axis and y axis. X axis and y axis. Same here, because the both one we can able to represent in same one. So with the help of that we can able to make our table and graph. With the help of that you have to explain. And one more thing, you have to write observation also. After that 4 and 5 lines you have to write and explain. Okay, dear students, this is the information and topic in front of you given. Now dear students, you have to make your notes and understood it very well with the help of your notes and this video. If you are any facing problem, you have to join my live classes and subscribe my channel, share this video to others, and otherwise you have to download it. Okay, dear students, you have given your special time to listening my lecture. Thank you all dear students.